So we're visiting Arbor Hills, which is kind of a, what do you call it? It's not just a park.
It's a nature preserve.
Nature preserve.
And it's very crowded.
Looks like it's a beautiful day today, and it looks like everyone had the same idea. There's several miles of walking tracks here, so we're going to walk the dogs a couple of miles.
Yeah, we try to walk about 30 minutes every day, and that's about 2 miles, isn't it? Especially for only 2 people per meal. That would actually help. Alright. That would give us more protein.
Oops, hello. Hey, it's Tommy. This is December 6th, and this is Daily December. Harry and I are out walking the dogs at Arbor Hills Nature Preserve. And we're up in the tower at about a midway point. I'll put up a map and show you the route we walked today. And we're just taking a little break here at this lookout point, and we're gonna get back out there. Alright, we were just up at that lookout up top, and we've been taking a switchback route to get down here just to see it. And we're about ready to exit the park. We're about halfway through the park. Here's another view of that lookout tower. Little panorama of where we are. That was our visit to Arbor Hills Park. Of all the parks we visit, the ones that have walking trails for the dogs or the off-leash parks for dogs, this is by far the busiest one, and it's in the most populous suburb, which is Plano.
And it's the best one.
Yeah.
No doubt.
And this is really the nicest, most detailed park. The ones that are close to our house are just walking trails through, I guess, irrigation ditches, basically. That's all it is.
Yeah.
Oh, hope you enjoyed this little virtual visit. Trying to take video while holding the leash of a tiny active dog. Oh my gosh, challenge. So I will try to motion stabilize some of those video clips, and hopefully it won't be quite so vomit-inducing or whatever, motion sickness. All right. Stay tuned tomorrow for another Daily December.